In this video, I'm going to show you how to show recent stories in Instagram lately highlights. So what you'll need to do is basically go and open your Instagram account. So once you do so, as an example, you should be taken to Instagram. Here, if you're not logged in, make sure to log in. And of course, you'll need to go to your profile. And basically, so if it gets one of the latest updates, you should find already here a lately option where you'll be able to click on it and you'll be able to see all your lately stories. And of course, if you don't want that, or let me just go in here and click on X, and if you don't find it, it's still fine. You can just go here, as an example, if you want to add it to your highlights, you can simply just click on the plus button, and here you'll find, as example, all the stories that you posted. So I posted the story today, 16th of May, as example, and today is 16th of May, and I can just go and click on it, click on next, and I'll be able to add it to my highlights. And of course, I can name it lately if still not added for you yet, or name it whatever you want. As example, I'm just gonna name it this and click on done. You can even edit the cover if you wanna do one of the pictures that you have, or even do one of the pictures that you want from your PC. Let's say, example, this one. Click on done, done again, and it should be added to the highlights right away, as you can see. So you can take your highlights into reel. I'm not going to do so. And yeah, you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.